Oh yeah, come on in. Don't be shy, don't stall. We got a funky vibe, yeah. Welcome all. It's a safe spot where the truth of mine. Share your thoughts, leave your worries behind. Woo! Defenseless, that's where you belong. Click that like and groove along. Hit subscribe, let the love flow free. Join the fam where you're meant to be. Woo! Got mysteries, stories that feeling right. We dig deep, ain't no secrets to hide. No judgment here, just an open crew. We're all about justice and the honest view. Yeah, defenseless, that's where you belong. Click that like and groove along. Hit subscribe, let the love flow free. Join the fam where you're meant to be.
Woo! Hello, how you doing?
Hello.
Did you enjoy that? Did you get to look at it from the other side of the camera?
Sure did.
Not that exciting, is it? Hey, guess what?
What?
We're the only ones looking at each other.
Oh, Lord.
Can you see the top left-hand corner where it says live, and then there's an I?
I see live. I don't see no zero or nothing.
Okay. You won't, sorry, because you're a guest on here. I haven't got you as an admin. I can only do one at a time. And I think Tan's in there. But never mind. Welcome, welcome. We are just going to have a bit of fun today, I think. I was going to do the Lyle Menendez parole hearing, but you know, we're not going to get anything until like 4 o'clock this afternoon, really, are we? So there was no point sitting here. I did all the background stuff yesterday.
Yeah, that was a bummer.
Yeah. I actually found the court reporter who was in the court who was doing the feed. So that was the link that I sent you. That's how deep I dived into that. Trying to get the info. But the same thing's happening today. So they're going to do the parole hearing for Lyle via Zoom from his correctional facility. And then they're under really, really strict guidelines that no one can break anything or reveal anything or, I get that. Social media, until the decision has been made. Now, if you guys haven't heard yesterday's 10-hour parole hearing for Eric Menendez, he was denied his bail, unfortunately, which is a bit of a shame, but I kind of expected it because it's really, really common to not get your parole approved the first time round. So, at least they've ticked that box and their 3-year time clock starts as soon as it can, because they can't reapply now for 3 years for another parole hearing. So, but apparently Lyle's prison record is apparently a lot cleaner, and there could be the opportunity where he gets released and Eric didn't. I don't think that would happen, but that's a bit.
I think it boils down to how he's done while he's been in prison, because that's what knocked the other one out. Yeah, well,
apparently Lyle has been not as exemplary, but he hasn't had as many, he didn't have the mobile phone, I think, or what else was the... It wasn't much what they had against him.
Right.
Well, it wasn't Eric, I don't think, that had the heroin, was it?
Didn't he say that?
I know that.
He would rather have the alcohol. He wasn't into the drugs as much as he was alcohol, he said.
Okay. I'll have to listen back to the video that I put up, because it was only like a 7-minute thing. I thought that's not long enough for a stream. I may as well just pick another subject. All right, so I have downloaded a heap of documents regarding I've been looking at the Kentucky sheriff. I shot the judge, Mickey Stein's case, but it's very, very ingrained in the previous case of the former Letcher County's deputy Ben Fields and his conviction with regards to Sandra Atkins. Now, the story goes, this is now all coming out to the media about, what was it, the sexual favours type of thing that they had going on at the courthouse.
Yep.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong. So it was the ankle monitor, Bedfield was the ankle monitor guy that downloaded or whatever, prepared at the county courthouse. Most of the monitors were for DUIs and for women as well, and it apparently was very easily how do I put it? Very easily abused, that position, to the women that couldn't afford to have the things done that they needed to have done with the ankle monitor, whether it be paying for it or repairing it or whatever. So he would say, okay, well, you know, I'll he actually would turn the thing off, or he'd take it off them.
Yep.
And
Yep.
as long as they did sexual favours for him. And if a judge, a couple of times a judge actually asked him, you know, where is this person? And he dobbed them in. He said, well, they've run away. They took off.
Yeah.
Arsehole. Just to
That's
cover
pretty
his own
shitty.
arse.
Yeah.
So it's my assumption then that because he was one of the deputies under Steins is responsible at the end of the day for his conduct, correct? Because he's his senior officer or whatever. And
Yep.
do you believe that Mickey knew?
I don't know if he did or not, to be honest with you, because when I listened to her interview, she said Mickey had never once made a pass of her. He treated her with the utmost, you know, like he would any prisoner. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, she done a real good interview. And she had nothing to lose but this either.
Absolutely. So she's the only one that actually took it to court and won with Ben Fields, yeah? Whereas now lots of people are actually coming forward. And
yeah, she said this went on. She said this went on not only in the courthouse, but in a hotel. They had a hotel set up, the party room, I think she called. Yeah, really? And she said it was numerous girls. She said they would have
Brian Enton video.
Yeah. Yep.
Mm-hmm. I'm not going to play that because I got pinged again last night from. You've got no idea.
Yeah, that's
copyright shit. Yeah, go on. Sorry. She got what?
She said, if I understood her right, don't take this to be 100%, but I think she said this started before she ever got into trouble. That she was really young when it started.
Okay.
And a lot of girls that she knew, and she said it was, and she said she was consensual about it. But at the same time, after she started getting into trouble, she knew that she had to do what they was asking of her.
Yeah.
So.
Did you know how many girls they estimate?
No, but she said they were as many, she said.
Shit. All right. So September the 16th, 2024 is when Mickey Steins did his 5-hour deposition, and it was about that case, which was 3 days prior to the shooting. So it's got to be tied in. It has to be tied in. So she claimed that, oh, hang on, I've got direct allegations here. Woo! And the link. Oh, I'm too clever for my own good. It's I created the document from my database. Oops, I just unplugged my headphones. Hang on. Yeah. I've got this document in front of me, and I'm like, oh, that's good. That's critical evidence of the connection. And the link took me back to my database. I've made it. Oh, well, that's probably good. So she's claiming that the Deputy Fields had sex in Judge Mullen's chambers 6 times, that she told investigators she saw a video of Judge Mullins having sex with an inmate in his chambers. She alleged that was part of a wider pattern of sex for favours corruption. And she stated that it wasn't just Fields having sex in the judge's office, but also some higher hop up there who are the judge. The judge was involved. So Jeremy Bartley, Steins' defence attorney, explicitly stated, there's zero doubt that the combination of his mental health, which was exacerbated by the pressure put on him because of this deposition, played a role in what he saw. Righto, okay. You don't put yourself in that position, then you don't have the exacerbated conditions of having pressure put on you, you dickhead.
Right.
Mental health defence. Expert forensics. Oh, Carol Lieberman. Why do I know that name? Confirmed that the deposition set him off. She's a forensic psychiatrist, apparently. She said she observed Steins was legitimately in an altered state of paranoia after the shooting, and things that he'll have to say at the deposition. All right, I reckon we get into his deposition. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Is it a go? Let's have a look. Where is it? My mum. Deposition transcript of. Oh, look at that. Mickey Steins. So, when was this? This should be what? The February one, yeah? Is that when he did it? Sorry, September.
What? September.
Yeah, let me just check the date. I got the right one. Hang on. Before I share it. Yes, September 16. Woohoo! Okay. Yeah. Oh, wrong way. Don't remember how to do this because it's different. It's not a live screen. It's a no. Hang on, I'm going to have to open it up and do it another way. Oh, fuck my back. Share screen. That's better. Share screen. Can you see what I'm doing?
No.
Oh, really?
No, I just see me on there.
You just see what? Oh,
I just see me and you on there.
Okay.
Yep.
Add to state. Alrighty. That's it. Let's zoom in. Oh. So it's got to be big enough for you to be able to read it too. Get rid of that. Can you read that?
I can.
Beautiful. All right. So this is the deposition of Mickey Steins in the Sabrina Atkins v. Benfields. Okay. 16th of September 24. Yep. Keep going. Next. Oop. Okay. So he's been sworn in. Do you want to do the question or the answer?
I'll do the answer.
You do. All right. I'll be Mrs. Baxter. Mrs. Baxter. Sheriff Steins, my name is Bethany Baxter. I represent Sabrina Atkins at the estate of Jennifer Hill in this case, and I'm going to be taking your deposition today. Oh, my God. Can we skip those? Yeah. Know the ground rules. I'm happy to take breaks. Yeah. My only request is that if I've asked you a question, I would like you to respond. Duh. The thing is, I will say is I have a court reporter here who's taking everything down. Yep, good. We can skip the bullshit. Okay, so I looked over Sabrina Atkins' deposition. I attended Ben Fields and Paddy Stockett. Oh, that's the answer.
Yeah, we're off to a good start right here.
Do you see what happens to me nearly when it gets to midnight-ish? My brain
I
goes
just
to mustard. You're what?
I decided to do this for a living. Couldn't do it.
Yeah. I could read this 100 times out to myself, no worries, without a stumble, and get on here and completely fuck it all up. Okay. We'll start from I suppose we better start up here. Question. You read Paddy Stockham's deposition.
Yes.
Any other documents that you reviewed?
The
Gauges?
thanks, Jody. Yeah.
That's all right.
That.
What the fuck is that? Oh, did you watch the video I put up with the Eric Menendez thing?
Yep.
Where I said, look at those two words.
Yep.
What the fuck? Excoriates. An excoriation is where you get an irritation in your skin from like hello. And what did you say? Voluminous.
I can't even say it yet.
Voluminous. No, it's supposed to be voluminous, but he said it the wrong way, and I was pissing myself laughing. Who says it excoriates? It's like you shit in the face of his brother. Yeah, sorry. I just let it go. I've got a fucking sick sense of humour. All right. All right. Anything else that you can recall?
Where am I at? Okay. Don't believe so.
Oh, shoot. Okay, that works. Where were you born and raised?
Born in Wattsburg, Kentucky.
Wow, fuck me, isn't that? You really got the accent down pat. How far is Whitesburg from you?
It's from about an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, somewhere along there.
Oh, is Kentucky that big?
Oh, Kentucky's pretty good size, yeah.
Fuck, okay. In town?
At the hospital. Oh my God.
Fucking hell. Okay. We're going to skip all that shit. Crap they put in this. All right. How long did you live in Fleming Neon?
19
Fleming
years.
Neon?
That's a little county, little town.
Uh-huh. Then where did you move to after that?
McRoberts. Okay, I've never heard of that one.
Okay. Yes, he moved there with his wife. He was there. He got married at 19. Your wife's name's Carol. Okay. He's 43. There's 240 pages, so we're skipping, right?
Yeah.
Father's last name. Don't know who my biological dad is.
Oh, wow, I didn't know that either.
Yeah. Okay, fair. So, did you go to college?
Southeast Community College.
There in Whitesburg?
Yep.
Okay. Did you graduate from Fleming Neon High School?
Yes.
Don't you have to have that to be a sheriff?
Yeah, well,
Like,
what's it got
isn't
to
that
do
a
with
minimum
any?
requirement? I know. It's bullshit. Okay. What year did you start with the Fleming Neon Police Department?
2001, I believe.
How long did you work at that department?
7 months.
Okay, and why did you leave?
Cutbacks.
What was your position there?
I was a patrol officer.
Mm-hmm. All right, so he went to work for the sheriff's office in 2002. Was the training you received as a deputy sheriff different from the training that you received as a patrol officer? Oh, my God.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Okay. I should have pre-read this and started halfway through, I think. Okay. Okay, let me explain his academy training. Let's let him testify for himself. Okay.
So the deputy sheriff has an academy that's 20 weeks long. Court security officers have an academy that is 2 weeks, and you have different types of training for both. So when I was initially hired for Stephen Banks, they put me through pre-pops. Wow. And I was about to work the road and work the court and stuff.
What's pre-props?
I have no idea.
All right, so you've done the deputy training and the county sheriff's office training. Yes, good. After that, like for Stephen Banks for 7 months, Danny Webb came in. Okay. Okay. This is probably important. Where does that start? We might as well just start at that bit there.
So you want me to start with that?
Yeah.
After that, I worked for Stephen Banks for 7 months. Danny Webb came in. I worked the road and court for Danny. During that time, Danny comes to me and says, do you want to be a road officer or a court officer? And I said, I will be court security. And he said, we can get you grandfathered in. And I had to take all of their steps to a court security officer.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure that I understand. So in 2002, it's when you first went to work for the Letcher County Sheriff's Office.
Yes.
Why don't you just tell me what training you did when you first came on board?
When I originally went for Neon, I had to take all the pre-pops. That is the fitness. I'm going to have to look up what pre-pops is because I've never heard of that in my life.
No, me either. It looks like. Sorry, we didn't turn the audio back on. Pre-props, okay.
Once you do that, you can take the other training at the academy. Neon laid me off.
And I didn't something go to that one. Okay, so makes sense. So did you end up doing that training after you went to Letcher County Sheriff's Office?
Not the full 20-week academy. No, ma'am.
Why not?
The position that they put me in the state didn't require me to attend that.
And what was that position?
Well, that was court security officer, ma'am.
I'm not very authentic, am I?
Oh, Lord.
That's helpful. So then when came in, I can't do it. 7 months later, I think that I understood you to say that he asked you what position that you wanted. Doggy? What was your
When he came in, that was 2003, I believe. I worked the road and court security. Years later, he asked me, do you want to go to the academy? And I said, no, I'm going to stay in court. And he said, okay.
You didn't hear what I said, did you?
I
asked you what position, and I answered myself and said doggy.
Oh.
Okay. That shit. California encephalitis. Now, I heard that. I looked that up because he was claiming that's what caused him some mental, some cognitive issues, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, and there is a thing called that, but from memory, I think it was a pretty dodgy excuse. Is it something that mosquito?
It's a tick, but it mainly happens in kids, I think.
Yeah, so, I remember looking it up in my research.
Yeah, I think I don't know when he said he got diagnosed with that, but anyway.
Okay. So, something that you get from tick bites, basically. Well, if you need to take more breaks, I will be happy to do that. Yeah, because I think that was part of his defense in the with the mental defect type of thing. And I didn't know what it was, so I looked it up, but now I've forgotten it.
Yep.
20 weeks, still on the training. Oh my god. Get to the good shit.
Yeah, where's the good stuff at?
Yeah.
I want to explain myself here.
Worked for East Kentucky Correctional Services. Okay, this is where it gets into the... Okay. We'll talk about some of those later. Have you ever been named as a defendant in litigation?
Wait a minute, where you at?
Right there.
Okay, that's it. Yes.
Was that the car accident case that you referred to earlier?
I believe that I was just a witness in it. Okay, what was
Okay.
it? Oh, sorry.
What was the litigation where you were named as a defendant?
It would have been...
Oh,
Yes.
Mr. Shaw is his attorney, I think, Congleton. What's that?
Yeah.
Is that a
What was the name?
county? Congleton?
I think so.
You got some weird ass names. Although, I suppose I live in Forest Hill, so does that sound funny to you?
Oh, not
Forest
really.
Hill. Okay. Oh, okay. So
Oh, it's her name.
her name was Alicia Congleton. So that was the
Right. Yeah.
applicant, or whatever you call it. Not the, you know what I mean. She worked for the sheriff's office.
Yes.
Okay. Aside from that case, any other matters?
Not that I can think of. No.
Have you ever been accused of workplace sexual harassment or sexual discrimination?
No.
You are, you
Oh boy. Oh boy.
We've discovered that I don't do a very good Kentucky accent. All right.
You gonna hear
Have you
one?
ever been... Yeah. What was that? Oh, this is the deposition of Mickey Steins, the sheriff that shot Judge Mullins. So we're just going through his deposition that he had to do on the case involving one of his deputies and Sandra Atkins, which is all interlinked. So we're just reading his deposition out now. And I needed an assistant, and so to make it authentic, I got a Kentucky assistant.
Hello, Wild Aussie.
You're not typing it this time. It's easier, isn't it? All right. Have you ever been responsible for investigating sexual harassment or sexual misconduct or discrimination in any position that you've held?
Yada yada. I'm not understanding her question.
So think of all the jobs that you've had in your lifetime, including your job as sheriff. Have part of your duties or any of those jobs been to investigate sexual harassment, sexual misconduct, or sexual discrimination? So his lawyer answers, I think that she is including this case too. Have you had other incidents or allegations? All right. If you have questions, I'd rather you direct them at me. Righto. Okay, let's start here. Have you ever, in your capacity as sheriff, have you ever investigated a complaint of sexual harassment or misconduct? Oh my God.
She said,
I won't let him answer.
blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. A break was taken. Okay. I'm talking about your role as sheriff related to employment, employees, sexual harassment, misconduct. Does that make sense now?
Yes.
So, have you ever been responsible for conducting such an investigation?
This is the only one.
Okay.
I immediately reported it and took action.
He didn't ask a question then.
I talked to the Commonwealth attorney, the county attorney. Oh, Lord.
And I'll ask you more questions about that later. Okay, skip that bit. I think I heard you say that you've never investigated sexual harassment or sexual misconduct aside from employee Ben Fields. Is that correct? No. Objection. Okay, let's ask it this way. Are the allegations about Ben Fields the only time that you have ever been made aware of any allegations of sexual misconduct by a sheriff's office employee? Oh my God. Not sure that I understand the question. Okay. You became aware at some point that Ben Fields had been accused of sexual misconduct whilst he was at Letcher County Sheriff's deputy, correct?
Yes.
Has there ever been some other instance whilst you were sheriff that you became aware of a similar allegation related to some other employee?
Yeah, to the best of my knowledge, I don't recall. Wow.
Okay. Have you ever been terminated by an employer? I don't mean laid off. I mean terminated for cause.
No.
Okay. Have you ever been disciplined by an employer?
Yes.
Ooh.
Betty has.
Who was that?
New sheriff in town.
Sheriff Webb. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is Sheriff Webb? Was that the one before him?
Yeah.
Okay. As you said, the
Oh my
actual
God.
Letcher County is known for its corruption. Is that right?
Oh yeah, full of it. Which a lot of counties down here are. It's just pushed under the rug.
Yeah. So how far from there are you? About 40 minutes, did you say? Or
Give or take traffic, I can be there in an hour.
okay. Cool. Have you heard any more from the if they're going to move the trial to somewhere else, or they still
Nope.
planning to have it there?
They're going to have it there.
Oh, sweet. I'm just waiting for them to set a date.
Me too.
One of the things that I did download, I did see, was because there was like over 50 of them. They're starting to do proposed scheduling orders and stuff now, so hopefully, yeah, that's like it does. It's only because Teresia she's not set up to stream, so she hasn't got the earphones and stuff, so that's why. So why is she asking if you shaved? Oh, what was
That
the
was the
discipline? Really?
shave.
Oh, you hadn't shaved?
No.
Anything else you can think of?
Not to my knowledge.
My God, do they really have to put that in?
Really.
Okay. Have you ever worked for the Letcher County Jail?
No.
I want to get a better feel for your job duties at East Kentucky Correctional Solutions. Am I correct that you worked, and I'm going to call it X today for short, you worked for X at the same time that you were a deputy sheriff, correct?
Yes.
Okay. How did you come to get that job?
Judge Wood and Harold Baldwin.
Do you know them?
Who are they? No, I've never heard of them.
No?
No.
Who are they?
Judge James P. Wood and County Attorney Harold Baldwin. Oh, I guess.
I don't care what court he was in.
Don't really matter.
Did they work for X themselves? Did you go to Pikeville? Training? What did you do? Can I believe Miss Stockham? Okay. I believe Miss Stockham, Patty Stockham, testified that you worked for X for about 20 years. Does that sound correct?
No.
How long did you work for X?
14 to 16 approximately.
Years?
Yeah.
Minutes?
No,
So,
seconds.
would you have started in about 2005? Oops, sorry.
Yeah, maybe 2004.
Okay. How were you paid for that work?
Contract labor. Month. This is so. I mean,
I know.
anything any of this.
Can we just? I'm just going to skip through and see what I can. Oh. Okay. I guess as far as persons on home incarceration, was it your responsibility to make sure that they abided by their court order relating to the terms of that home incarceration?
What was
I
your
wish you
question
had
again?
Ty up here doing this. We should
Yep.
have Ty up here. He could have told us all about that.
Yep.
So for the folks on home incarceration, was it your responsibility as home incarceration officer to make sure they abided by the terms of their home incarceration?
The terms of home incarceration, yes.
Do you like saying home incarceration?
Wow. This is,
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Anything else that kind of would dictate the terms of someone's home incarceration aside from the statute and the judge's order? Only if you know the order.
okay, I can't see that. I
Can't
didn't
read
do
that,
some-
yeah.
Yeah.
What did you mean by judges do verbal? What?
So when I have a violation, I would report it to the judge, and at times they would say put them in jail, and I would call down to the jail.
Okay. And would you be the one then to transport that person to the jail?
A lot of mine was at the courthouse.
So the violation was discussed in the presence of the person on home incarceration.
Yes.
So is that what you mean when you said judges did verbal?
Yes.
Does it mean
They did
oral?
oral. They did oral too, but that's not in here.
I'm glad you weren't going where I was going.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Do you? Oh, my lord, I don't care if you signed any agreements. Okay. So the case during the time. Was it ever the case during the time that you were working for X? Were you also the court security officer?
Yes.
Is that like a bailiff, is it? Oh, here
Yes.
we go. I'm going to use the term bailiff. Because I understand that to be the same thing.
Yep.
So, were you the bailiff in district court or circuit court?
Mainly district.
Okay, so were there ever times when you would be working as a bailiff in district court and also put someone's ankle monitor on?
No, I had them come after my job.
Oh, so Mickey was in this position.
Wow. I didn't know that either.
Because this is his wow.
Yep.
Oh, that's all making sense now.
Yep.
Yeah, after hours. Aha.
Yep.
The plot thickens.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. What do you mean after your job?
After court security.
So you let me know when you got to go, all right?
Yeah. Well,
Like time of day. What time of day would that be?
where am I? I always had them to report at 4:30.
Okay, so you'd have them come back at 4:30 and get the ankle monitor. Is that what your testimony is?
If I can't see that, something court,
If
and
they
the judge
was there in court and the judge took them off
took
and
them off, they had everything, I would go ahead and take the equipment then.
Okay, so about collecting fees. Would you ever collect fees from folks at the same time as you were working as a bailiff in district court?
Can I ask you a question?
I would rather that you answer my question. If you don't recall that, it's fine too. Was there ever a time that you can recall when you were working as bailiff in district court and would have collected fees, you know, during that time period when you were working as a bailiff? Before 4:30.
If they was in court and the judge did an arraignment and they were on house arrest and the judge said pre-trial in a month and that was on a Wednesday and they said, Mickey, I have got the money, I would say, hand it here. Yeah, I would go ahead and take it. I bet you would.
And give them a receipt, I guess.
Yes, all money that was
Take
collectible. Wrote out in a receipt.
You gotta take it. Where's Elizabeth when you need her?
I don't know.
I haven't heard from her in ages.
I text her all the time on Discord, but she never replies no more.
Yeah, well, I haven't seen her on Discord for ages. I've messaged her in WhatsApp, and the last time I spoke to her was on Messenger, and that was when was 2 weeks ago? About when we were talking about chickens.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I haven't heard a thing since. I don't know.
Yeah.
Hope she's okay. Yeah, well, she must have, because I saw her in. It was Ty Tucker's birthday on Facebook the other day, and she commented in there, so she must be okay.
Yep.
All right. She doesn't love us anymore, T.
She's like this. She has.
Hey, what was that?
I said she's forsake this. She has. Well, most of us. Oh Lord, we'll not go down that road.
She's busy sexting.
Yeah. Hey, you said it. I wasn't going to.
Yeah, no, I'm not going any further than that.
Yeah. Next question, please.
Yeah. Moving right along.
Oh, Lord.
And this is, he just gave verbal. During that time period, you were okay. So during that time period that you were working for X, what would you do when Miss Stockholm told you that someone on home incarceration was out of range? Just walk me through an example of what that would look like.
So when she would call me and give me the details out of the range, what happened is she would tell me if she called them or not. I would try to make contact with them or next of kin
Okay, how would you contact them?
by phone.
Yours or the judges?
Yeah, really.
Sorry. God, this is a load of shit.
Yeah, scroll on down till we find a word there.
I know. I'm looking. I'm looking. A break.
Of course, you never know what they're asking here either. So
I know. Documentation.
it's all over the board.
You're right. Working as a bailiff. Oh, I guess when you were working as bailiff, who was the district court judge before Mullins? Judge Wood. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're saying that time you became. Don't care what training you did. Policies, bullshit. She signed a form like what was it? Policy manuals. Interesting. All right, okay. Between the time that a person is hooked up and taking off the home incarceration, would you ever be at their physical home address?
Only if they had a violation. I contacted a family member and said, hey, they are gone. They ran off. They cut the ankle bait.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess he meant. I might go out sometime and retrieve that. Most of the time, I have asked the family. Yeah, ask the family to come and get it and bring it to me. Sorry.
So that to me sounds like, they've run off, but it's not a real big deal. I'll just get out there when I get the chance. Yeah.
Yeah, no hurry.
I might go out sometime and retrieve it. So when you're
run by
working
the gas station, I'll be out there.
You rode in a department vehicle on and off. Yes, there would have been instances that you would have driven the sheriff's department vehicle. Who cares? I thought this was going to be way more interesting, but we're only at page 40 of 200.
Yeah, I bet all the good steps is on page 200.
Probably, yeah. But you got to lay the foundation.
Yeah.
Apparently. So what's this? Were you the only Letcher County Sheriff's deputy who was working as a security guard at the hospital, if you can recall?
I don't recall.
You also mentioned doing drug sample gathering for drug court.
Yeah.
Yes, same question. Did you use any Sheriff's Department's property equipment to perform that job?
I can't recall.
So you were paid for that job? Obviously. Security guard. Hospital. So before you became sheriff, I guess after you won the election and before you became sheriff, did you make a decision to hire Ben Fields? That says Ben Fields was hired by Sheriff Webb. Right, he was hired right as Webb was going out and you were coming in. So was it Webb's decision to hire or was it your decision?
I gave a recommendation.
Okay, and you recommended Fields to Webb, I guess.
Yes.
Okay. Did you terminate any other deputy sheriffs to make room for Ben Fields to have that job?
No, I didn't terminate anybody.
Okay. Did any other deputy sheriff leave the sheriff's department at the same time? At the same that, I think it was supposed to be time. Sheriff Webb left.
Restate that question, please.
I'll be a little bit more specific. I think from some of your discovery, you said prior to 2019, someone named Keith Smith and someone named Joshua Pease had worked for... Good morning, Louise. Howdy doody.
Hello,
I've got-
Louise.
I got a playmate. Louise, we're reading through Sheriff Stein's deposition in the case between him and Sandra Atkins for sexual harassment. The deposition he had to give 3 days before he shot Judge Mullins. This is supposed to be the triggering event that caused him to lose his shit, basically. But there's a lot of bullshit in here, so we're skim reading it. Are you aware of any agreements between X and the jail today related to home incarceration?
I'm not aware.
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of questions on training and shit, isn't there?
Yep.
Policies. Oh, my Lord. You got elected and you're about to become sheriff. I'm wondering what all you did to ready yourself for that position. You've talked about going to a state-required training.
Yes.
Oh, now I understand. Okay. Where is down with that?
Mm-hmm.
Anything else that you did?
Yeah, I came over and kind of shadowed Sheriff Webb a little bit.
we have been playing with it, Louise. Yes. In 2019, when you became sheriff, did you revise any of the Letcher County Sheriff's Department's policies?
I can't recall. God, he don't recall nothing.
Oh, no, of course not. All right. Did you know any of Ben's family?
His dad, Jerry Fields, was a longtime constable. He was a well-respected man in the community, and his mother, Nell Fields. As far as anybody else, I didn't really know his family that well.
Did they have a daughter called Grass?
Roots, Jody, roots. Not grass.
Grass Fields. Yeah. As you can see, you see the lovely gavel at the back there. This is all compliments of As the Gavel Drops. They're amazing on Discord. They have everything. It's my first point of call for anything. It is. After Ben Fields applied for the position with the Sheriff's Department, part of that employment process was doing a lie detector test or something of that nature?
Yes, that is the pre-props.
I want to know what that stands for.
I've got to look that
The
up.
pre-props. Yeah. Do you remember
all
whether
over
you
it.
ever reviewed? Hey?
I said, this is all over this pre-props. Pre-pops.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure that I looked at it.
All right. That's his solicitor. Oh, sorry. Attorney. Oops. Oh, my Lord. And included in that was a report that included some questions and answers from Ben Fields. Do you recall that?
I would have to look at it. I can't recall. Like you just said, it's a lot. I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. Wow. He's making himself look really dumb.
It's Californian encephalitis.
Yeah. Damn ticks.
Yeah. I thought it was mosquitoes.
No, it was ticks. It's ticks.
Do you have many of them down there?
Oh, Lord, yeah, all the time. All the time.
Really? Have you ever been bitten by one?
All the time.
Oh, gross, really?
That's the reason you spray yourself with insect repellent, and then when you're done, you go straight to the shower and make sure you ain't got nothing on you. But you still get them on you.
You do your yard work, you get them all the time.
Oh, yeah.
Do they get like really fat and just squish them and like...
Well, they did on my outside dogs, but not on us. I mean, like I said, you check yourself out. So,
can you put anything on the dogs to protect them?
Well, I don't have them no more. Both my outside dogs died, and then I keep I give my inside dogs flea pills or flea and tick pills, so they're good on that.
Yeah, with my cats, they've got the thing that you put on the back of their neck, and it lasts for a month. It's like
Mine's on the monthly
but we don't
pill.
have to
So
do that.
yeah.
We don't have to do the ticks because we're not. I mean, we do have them in like, forest areas and stuff, but they're not really common in the suburban areas. Anyway, I was just wondering, had you seen that information that he had consumed alcoholic beverages and he had engaged in sex? Oh, hang on, let me go back a bit. Red flags, okay. Within those documents that you produced, do you recall seeing an admission by Mr. Fields that whilst he was employed at the Letcher County Jail, he engaged in sexual contact during work hours at the detention centre?
No, I don't recall that.
I bet you don't. If you had have seen that, would you have considered that to be red flags?
That examination, that report that they send in, they recommend suitable.
Who is they?
It is the DOCJT, I believe.
So what's that? The Department of
District of
Correctional.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, something like that.
Sounds good to me.
Yes, that's fine. I was just wondering, had you seen that information that he consumed alcoholic beverages and had engaged in sexual contact during work hours at the detention centre? Had you known that, would you consider that as red flags in hiring Ben Fields?
They sent a report saying that they are suitable for the job. I have got reports that says it's not suitable for the job. So I took that as a state recommendation that he passed their exam.
So he's not answering the question. He's evading.
No.
I understand that, but that is not my question. Getting ahead of myself. My question is, my question is, Mrs. Dever, had you known that he had consumed alcoholic beverages whilst at work and engaged in sexual contact during work hours of the detention centre, would you have considered those red flags in hiring Ben Fields? That is my question.
Yeah, I would not condone that type of activity on the job.
See,
Okay,
it's evasive still.
Yep.
But your testimony is that you weren't aware of that. Is that correct until today?
Ask it again.
Have you ever heard anyone say that Ben Fields had sex and fucked someone whilst he was pissed at work?
No, absolutely not.
I was just, improvising there. Right, now, I'm just trying to figure out when you became aware of it. It sounds like maybe when you listened to Ben Fields' deposition testimony was the first that you heard about it.
Yeah, well, that's the first time I heard about it.
Of course he's going to say that. Okay, I have another document here. Do you recognise this document?
Yes.
What is this?
It looks like he received the office policy.
Okay, I was going to send you that earlier. Form that we looked at required someone to verify that they both received and read the policy manual, but this only requires only that they verify that they received a copy. Do you know when or why that changed?
She said, I'm not sure. He says, okay. It looks like it was signed by Ben Fields on April 13th, 2020. Correct.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. But that was some 15 months after he'd already started working for the Letcher County Sheriff's Department, correct? So why did you wait so long, over a year, to give him a copy of this policy manual?
Can I ask you a question?
Just answer my question.
Then he goes on down to say, this is all that I saw.
Is it what? This is...
this is...
just talking
he's either
about
avoiding it or he don't know it altogether, so I'm not.
Absolutely. I reckon he's avoiding it. Just quietly. So, when I first read this, I thought of Jensen Ackles. Jason, I did.
Yep.
How funny would that? That would be great.
Okay, there's something up there. There was something going on more than poker playing. What was that?
What?
Scroll up a little bit. I was just seeing what they were talking about poker.
I know that you said more things happen than just playing poker. You invited male deputy sheriffs to some of those parties at your house where you played cards, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and that included Jason Eccles and Ben Fields, correct?
Yes.
Any other deputy sheriffs that you invited to those gatherings?
Mike Mike
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Mike.
him.
Mikey.
Mike. Mickey. Okay, was he a deputy sheriff?
Court security officer. You keep calling them deputies, but court security officers.
Get it right. And I guess impression was where the Letcher County Sheriff deputies who had a specific role as a CSO. Is that correct to think of it that way?
That is a true statement. Yeah.
Anyone else aside from Deputy Mickey?
Charles Fernandez.
Okay, anyone else aside from him?
I don't recall.
What kind of role did Charles Fernandez have with the Sheriff's Department?
He was a court security officer also and a special deputy at one time. How special was he?
What's the difference?
No clue.
Oh. See, I'm getting ahead of myself again.
Yeah,
What
me
is the
too.
special deputy?
There's a deputy that does not receive payment for the services. They just volunteer. Oh.
Oh, fuck that. Okay.
He did that during the flood. He done relief and stuff like that.
When you're working as a home incarceration officer for X, did you ever invite any women who were on home incarceration to your house during one of those poker games?
Absolutely not.
Mm-hmm. I'd call them bullshit.
Yeah, I would
Okay,
tell me.
Call a girl named Jennifer Fleming. Yes. Does he remember someone named Jennifer Fleming?
I know a Jennifer Fleming.
Did you ever come to your house for any of those gatherings?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay, how many of the deputy sheriffs, aside from Ben Fields, has the designation of CSO? I think I've heard Ben Fields, Jason Eccles, and Mike Infused. Does anyone else, aside from them, in the time that you've been sheriff?
Keith Smith. Could I see my employment list that I provided?
I don't have a copy of it.
Well, that would assist me.
Uh-huh. Does CSOs get paid more or less than other deputy sheriffs?
It all depends on the job performance. I mean, I worked with Sheriff Webb for 16 years and only made $12 an hour, and they hired a new guy in when I was working for them. Yeah, the cops down here don't make nothing. He's telling the truth right there. Even our city cops down here, they go out and do second jobs, restaurant jobs to make a living.
The fuck? $12 an hour?
Yep.
Are you shitting me?
Yep. My husband makes more working on small engines than these cops make.
Oh. Christ, I wouldn't even get out of bed when I was running my business for under $100 an hour.
No.
All right, so they're all paid by the hour. Yes, they're paid. Oh, shit. Set hours 8 till 4:30. Yes, they all worked those shifts. Paris of Fago. Reimbursements. Who's Lishuana?
She's a bookkeeper and office manager at the office.
For the sheriff's department?
Yes.
So she turns some paperwork in about hours worked and blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. I thought we was getting somewhere. Now it's back to.
I know. The job as sheriff is 24/7. Oh, that's you. Sorry. So you decide to recommend Ben Fields. So it sounds to me like this house arrest job was a cushy fucking job that they just used to abuse and assault women, pretty much.
The way I'm getting it, the women would pay for these monitors, and they were still damned. They either did what they were told, or they would be accused of on the run. Yeah,
well, if they if by chance a judge actually wanted to have their location and he couldn't provide it, he just said that they're on the run. It's just, but this is again Mickey Steins. deposition. So he held this position before Ben Fields.
Yep. And I think
So
he was one who that Ben Fields had to be trained under.
Yeah.
To get this. Yeah. So.
Yeah, and it wasn't until 12 months later that he gave him the policy thing, which is part of the training, I assume. So it sounds very lackadaisy. And I think he's just basically tagged out and tagged Ben in and told him the ropes. Here you go. Here's the little bit on the side, that extra fucking, because you get $12 an hour, you may as well make the most of it, yeah?
Yep.
That's what it sounds like to me. Fuck. Pretty fucking bad, isn't it? Real bad.
I just can't wait to court.
Power. Yeah, I know. Do you reckon it's going to be long?
Oh, I'd say it will. Because we're going through one now about the dentist. It's a long story, but I'll have to send you info on it. It's been going on for 2 years, and they still haven't set court on it yet.
Do you know why?
Because they're big honchos. And they got money. Because they're big honchos in this here, and they got money.
Okay. You'd think that Mickey'd want a swift trial, though, wouldn't you? The less time they got to dig shit up.
I think he knows he's already lost everything he fit for, so.
Yep. Well, he's a silly, silly man. Because Ben got convicted, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Did he get it? He went to jail, and is he still alive?
Yeah, I think so. But he didn't have to serve a lot of time. It was mostly probation, if I remember right. He didn't hardly get nothing all that.
And he lost his job, obviously. But...
Oh yeah.
So did
he wasn't doing nothing that the rest of them wasn't doing. He was just the one that got caught.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, he took.
And I get a lot of hate when I say this, but that judge was the ringleader. It's all pointing toward him.
Yep.
I mean, his wife was like, I don't know if you've ever seen her picture or not, but he went to the younger one. She's a whole lot younger than he is.
The judges?
The judge's wife.
Yeah. And how many kids did Mickey have?
Boy and a girl that I think is all I know of.
Okay. Do you recall him reaching out to you to get approval to do something for X with his sheriff department vehicle?
Maybe on the way home to stop and get ankle out of the creek. Yeah, there's a lot of shit goes down my creek. I've never seen an ankle monkey, but
so they just pip him in the fucking creek.
I guess.
Like somebody cuts it off and throws it over this. You recalling a specific instance? No. Okay, they take another short break. Do all deputy sheriffs take an oath of office?
Yes.
I want you to look at the second page under abusive position. Ooh.
Yes.
As we sit here today, is it your opinion that Ben Fields violated this provision of the policy related to abusive position whilst he was employed as a deputy sheriff?
What was the question again? Sorry, I was reading. Oh my God.
Do you think Ben Fields violated this provision of the policy when he was a deputy sheriff as we sit here today? Is that your opinion?
Yes.
Was he terminated for violating this policy?
Well, I'd need to look at the termination.
Are you for real? You'd forget that. Yeah? Okay, we'll look at it later. Reference to this section D. Yeah. What's... This is like pulling teeth.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, why? I just uploaded into it my database and spit out a summary. It's true. I might actually just do all that Upload all of it because if it's written like this in transcript, it actually you just have to put it in a folder and it will save everything and it will analyze everything in a legal capacity. It's unbelievable.
There has to be some way you can ask your database to go through all this and just bring out the.
I can. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, that's what I was just saying. I can chuck it. I can chuck every one of those things in and say, okay, tell me what's relevant. What was the worst bits? What did he do? What did she do? Blah blah blah. What was the outcome?
That's bullshit. Let's get to the good stuff. In other words.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, that's what I've been doing. A lot of people have been asking me it started with the Coburger files. Like 300 and something documents were dropped. So I uploaded them straight into my database and then said to it, okay, tell me what's bullshit pretty much, which is, administrative stuff where they were issuing subpoenas, and separate that from the evidentiary stuff that's of, blah, blah, blah. And then because they're all labelled the same thing but with a different number. So you can't tell what it is until you open it. So I said, then I want you to analyse what's in each one and give it an appropriate title and then organise it chronologically. And everyone went, oh, fuck yeah, can I have a copy of that? So and then Mickey, then this shit dropped, and then the emails dropped from Morrissey. So, yeah, in the middle of everything else, I'm uploading all this shit and spitting it back out in a readable format. But I've got it all then, and I can use it when the case comes around. I've already got the answers. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's right there in front of me. It's the best thing I ever bought, I tell you.
Sounds like you got your money's worth.
Hey? What was that?
I said, you're getting your money's worth out of that.
Oh, yes, I am. I'm even using it in my personal, like for my claim with the federal disability people here.
Yep.
What did I say? No, I've lost it. Brain's gone. Oh! I'm such a dickhead. You said you had an appointment at 12:15, and I just looked at my clock. It's 12:27, and I realised you're 2 hours. That's why I was hurrying up.
I'm still good.
Sorry. I'm like, oh, she's going to be late.
No, I'm good.
I'm going to need a coffee. Peppermint tea's just not cutting it.
I'm on my second pot of coffee. I've been up since 15 to 3.
Oh.
And it's getting later in the year. It's going to drive me nuts because there's nothing to do when it's cold outside but sit here.
Yep. It's actually starting to get lighter earlier.
You'll see it's getting darker earlier here.
Yeah. This is the best. This is the best time of year. Like the 1st of September is my favourite time of year because it's all uphill from there. So it's great.
Which I will lie. I'll be glad to get all the heat waves. It's been bad this year. 103, 106, humidity hitting you in the face as soon as you open the door.
Yeah.
But it's supposed to get down in the 50s next week. That'll feel good.
Well, it's 56 here now, so I know exactly how you feel.
Yeah.
But we've got the next 4 days of rain. We've had 4 beautiful spring days. All of my plants are flowering.
I'm going to bite my tongue here, but we ain't had no rain in 10 days, and I'm afraid once it comes in, we're going to get...
Oh, it's going to monsoon.
Yep.
So
because the ground's dry.
Is that like a creek bed that's between yours and your son's house that floods?
Now say it again.
You know that?
Yeah.
I remember you sent me a photo. Yeah.
See, that creek and a branch runs together, but we're right between 2 rivers. There's a river like 12 miles up the road, and there's a river 3 miles down the road from me. And I'm just getting what's coming, and then it starts backing up, and that's how we get the floods. So
when it floods, it separates your house and your son's house.
Yeah, I can get to it with a boat on the way I go over there. Yeah.
Have you got a boat?
Oh yeah, we got 3 boats. We're good.
Are you right across the flood rivers to go and see your son?
Hey, I tell him to call me if he needs me really bad. I'll come over. Which now we've got a driveway. If we park, we can move our vehicles up next to the main road, and we can
Yeah.
drive around. That comes over the hill behind his house if we had to, which we don't do that often, but we can if we had to.
So
I'm not landlocked. I mean, I can get in and out.
he's on the same property as you, though, yeah?
Yeah,
right?
Yep.
Yeah.
He bought a little property joining ours, so.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. 1 second.
Oh, and before I forget, guess what? Braden gets to meet his stepmother, brother, and sister tomorrow. Yep. And then I guess I'll be the next in line. Maybe the weekend after. Yep. The mom's agreed to it. Since the courts ain't getting in no hurry.
So they hadn't gone back to court or anything. She just agreed to it.
Yep. He Donald's little boy the youngest one has a football game tomorrow, and Braden wanted to go, and his mom said I'm fine with that. So.
Wow.
We shall see.
So is it public knowledge now, or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Because I haven't said anything. Not that I would anyway, but yeah. All right. Cool.
Yeah. Donald made a big Facebook post and put it out there.
And what reception did he get?
Oh, everybody's welcoming it. Everybody's on board with it. He's getting no guff nowhere. So.
No, well, it's not his fault. And what about the attitude towards her?
He said, surprisingly, she is doing really well. I said, yeah, but don't you close your eyes for a minute.
Yeah. Any backlash, though, like from his friends about her?
Nope. Because he knows he's happily married, and this shit should never took place to start with.
But it's a shit thing that she did, like.
Oh, yeah. Everybody's on Donald's side, of how all this comes out. But they're just, congratulating him on how he's handled it and everything.
How old's Braden?
But it's all good so far.
Is he 13?
What? 13. He'll be 13 in November.
What date in November?
Joey, he told me, but I swear I forgot. I think he went the 13th or the 23rd, somewhere along there.
Yeah. Okay. My eldest is the 6th. I'm just having a look through these to see if there's anything a little bit more exciting.
Yeah, I want to get down to where they finally. Yeah.
Deposition of Mickey Steins. I think I've got double up on some things. Just labelled differently. All right, what's Exhibit E? Let me have a look at some of the exhibits. Okay. Kentucky Correction Services. What's this? Oh no, it's just property. Bow. Oops. Exhibit 5. Fields. See, this is what I mean. Half of this shit, this is just a letter saying, yes, I received my copy of my policy. So this is why I put it through the bloody. You don't have to go through all this shit to get to the good stuff. I should have done that, but I changed my mind in my in what I was going to do at the last minute because there was no point me doing a Lyle Menendez. So order Mickey Steins. What's this? Prior order of settlement conference. This matter was scheduled. Okay. Subpoena. Woohoo. Recording. Oh, what's that? Recording of BC from Attorney General. BC. Who's BC?
What's BC? I don't know.
No. And there's nothing attached to it. It's not an audio file. It's a piece of paper.
Oh, well.
Yeah. Otherwise, it would have been saved with the different fields. Messages. Ooh. 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 What's that? Okay, hang on. I'll share this with you. Can you see that?
Yep.
So this is Ben. Ooh, this is Jason Eccles' Facebook.
Oh.
Okay. Ben Band is a fashionable part of any wardrobe. Okay. Who's he talking to? Ben Fields. Okay. Ben Fields and Jason Eccles' Facebook messenger must be.
Right.
I'll be Jason. Got a question. Drug court is
hang
having
on.
a picnic today. Huh?
Okay. I said, go ahead.
So, yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I see you.
Oh. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, okay. Drug court's having a picnic today. Do you think I should take my cruiser in case one of the drug court people show up high? What?
Laugh out loud, maybe.
That's what I was thinking, LOL.
What time is it for?
Noon.
I don't know till then.
I don't know till when. Go on.
And it's,
Right there.
it is supposed to rain today.
I don't think it'll be very long. I'm going to run to Walmart and then head to the jail and sit till 12. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You want to try to get these interior lights working later with me? What the fuck?
What the hell's that? Is that a leg? Oh, he cut his shorts too short. Oh, dude.
What is it?
No. He said he cut his shorts too short. Why in hell? No. Men don't wear cut-off denim.
What the
hell is that? Daddy, what's that? Oh, my God, Jody, what is that? Oh, hell no. Okay. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, hell no.
That's his leg hair. And that's his dog hanging out the bottom of his tail.
Oh, fuck. Why would you post that? Oh, Lord. Oh, God.
Jason Eccles sent a photo. Oh, no, this is the one that responds to that. Wash my pussy. Are you for fucking real?
Look at yourself. Oh, Lord.
Wash my pussy.
Yeah. Now I'm nervous. What's going to pop up in here?
Yeah.
Let me set my coffee down.
Better than the deposition.
Oh, God.
You'll scroll down. There's one imposter among us.
Yeah. Third wheel, you should say. What the hell's that?
Oh, he must have a beard. So that's his lips with the beard, and often people make a face and turn it sideways and it looks like a vagina.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay. What the? Oh, so that's Ben.
Uh-huh.
I believe they've superimposed heads on.
Yeah.
Okay. Kentucky.
KFC, by the way.
Yeah. That's great. LOL. Oh, Seth Whitaker. He sent a video. Sent a gift from Giffy. Is that from
yeah, what is that show?
Movie? Mountain with Heath Ledger in.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Sorry, I meant to send that to someone else. Righto. See? Other people send gifts too. What the fuck, man? That's my damn sister. Slippery gecko. Oh, okay. You can read the definition out.
While having sex in the shower, push your partner up against the wall, kissing her, then quickly try to insert your penis into her anus and watch her try and climb the wall. Okay, yeah. Oh boy.
I'm gonna have to. I have to take a screenshot of that and send it to Elizabeth.
Elizabeth probably came up with that.
Yeah, she probably did.
God. You ain't gonna get nothing from Elizabeth when it comes to this stuff.
do the slippery gecko. I have never heard of that one. I learn something every day, and I've heard a lot of them. Trust me.
Well, I don't think I've heard of that one.
No, neither have I. It's funny though.
Yeah.
I'll save it under. Where will I remember? For funny.
I can hear Elizabeth. Oh, my slippery gecko has went viral.
What's the slippery gecko video? It's gone viral.
Oh boy.
It would too. Oh, okay. Oh, right in the wrong spot. Sorry. I've got so many things on this computer that it's really hard to find. Because, like, I keep things separate from, like, my videos and stuff are in one folder for the case, and anything that's either a picture or a text document or something is in another.
Right.
So I've got to find all the shit where I put it. And if I don't put it somewhere that's logical, I forget where I put it. Like, what
I
would
do
I
that
say?
with anything I lay around the house, I do that. You don't have to be on the computer.
Yeah, it's like my password for the Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi password.
Oh my God. Yep.
But my Wi-Fi name, if you're looking to come and connect to my Wi-Fi, people say to me, "What's your Wi-Fi called?" And it's called None Your Fucking Business. Wi-Fi, none your fucking business. No, what's your Wi-Fi? That's it.
Don't get snappy. Just tell me what your Wi-Fi password is.
Yeah. Hey, you're that guy who was on that island. I said
no talking. Yeah.
Put this on. Oh, that's the Wilson basketball.
Yeah. Yep.
What the fuck's that? The exact moment you knew she was lying. And then he grabbed me around my neck with one hand. Do you know what? That looks like what happened to me the other night with my swollen neck. It was awful.
Oh, Lord.
I sent the picture to my mum and she freaked.
Oh, I'd say you did.
Yeah. It's bizarre. Oh.
Now I've heard of that one. Yep.
That one's going in the second.
Yep.
Save. That's funny. All right, next. Seth reacted to your message. Seth Whitaker. The Scooby-Doo one got me. Okay. And then Ben sent an image, which is who's down for 3.5 way. Okay. You can't always just
Oh.
if you see this, it's too late. Oh, Bill Cosby.
Yeah.
Officer down. Oh, that's awful. That's nasty.
I don't like that one.
No. What did you think of the video that you sent the other day? Speaking of autistic representation.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. What the fuck?
No, wait a minute. When your boyfriend hangs, or when your girlfriend hangs herself, but it's okay because no.
Oh! Oh!
Oh,
Oh,
I don't like
no. Fuck, sorry.
that.
I didn't
No, I
even
don't like
read
that.
that. Gross. Fuck. Tell me that wasn't Sandra, was it?
I don't know.
No. I don't know what she looks like, so. Fuck. That was awful. Sorry about that.
Oh no, that really happened.
Yeah.
I read that on the news.
Yeah, I know, but I hope that picture wasn't what.
No.
Yeah. Man sets up ghost hunting camera, catches wife having sex with his son. Oh, I was watching thing yesterday on YouTube
Yeah.
with a bloke.
Yep. And the other son called her too. Nasty.
Yeah,
Nasty.
and he got arrested because he started punching him.
Mm-hmm.
And the cops were there. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I showed that to Tanya yesterday, which was here. When she did her hair and makeup and spent $120 on lingerie to see me stand at the end of the bed like, oh, right. Okay, Ben Fields sent a photo. I know what you're thinking. Yes, my arms are too short. I missed the next bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
When did these guys ever work? Because they're sending all this.
Exactly. Yeah. Oh no, they were at Proctor's house.
Yeah, that's where it's at. Yeah.
Yep. Parent, why are your eyes all red? Kid, I smoke weed, Dad. Dad, stop lying. You're crying because I beat you at Mario. Okay, I'll play that one. Who said this? I need Kevin's head on this, nothing else. Kevin
No, that's
Mullins?
the good. Yeah.
I need Kevin's head on this.
Has to
On
be
the
the
couch?
good. Oh,
On the couch or on his lap? What the fuck's that supposed to be?
Well, now that girl said in that testimony that it wasn't just the females that was involved; it was boys and all. Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, Ben responds by sending this. That's the judge's head.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Okay.
Yep, I do too now. Yep.
Okay. Right. Well, that's pretty fucking telling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. In other words, come here, darling.
Yep. And
You
they're
ready
gonna
to
bring
take
it
the
up.
kid? Hey?
They'll bring that up in court.
Oh, yeah. This is all part of their discovery. That's where I got it. You ready to take the kid back? Any issues? No, I let him drive so I can nap.
Sounds legit.
You sent a photo. Nothing's better than a close family. Oh, my God. Who are the two chicks?
I don't know.
Are they court stuff, maybe? Were they interviewed?
I don't know. I don't know who that is.
And then Jason Eccles wrote, oh, shit.
Yeah.
Where you at? I literally had to pull over, LOL. Okay, just checking on you. Would you rather fight a chicken every time you got in a car or fight an orangutan randomly once a year with a sword? Are you thinking about that? I'm thinking you're retarded. That's not an answer. Do I have the sword or does the monkey? Both. The chicken. Which one would you do? The chicken. All right, well, that's the end of that one. Well, that was better than a fucking deposition.
Yeah. Sure was.
Exhibit H. So this is. Oh, there's more. But wait, there's more. No, it's the same fucking thing.
Yeah. You just had to go back to that one, didn't you, David? That is gross. I'm sorry.
It's a better picture, though. It's much clearer.
Oh, Lord. That is.
That's funny, sorry.
Yeah.
I cracked myself up.
I went all day and been satisfied with not seeing that, I'm telling you.
Oh, there's 3 copies of it. The fuck? Okay. I best delete those whilst I remember. So 28th the 2nd. So Exhibit H, Exhibit H, Exhibit H. Mm-hmm. Why didn't it tell me that it was the same fucking thing? Normally it says you've got a copy of this. What's this? Policy. No, boring. Exhibit A. What's that? Commonwealth of Kentucky appeal from Jefferson Circuit Court. It's appeals. Okay. Nope. Stein's messages. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. Mickey.
Okay.
Mickey renamed the group Fat Boys. That's right. I started these earlier because he starts saying fat boy, fat boy. What you gonna do?
Yeah.
They're very mature individuals, aren't they? All right, Mickey. I'll be Mickey. You can. Oh fuck, there's 3 of us. I appreciate y'all's hard work today.
To be honest, I've just sat in the corner and cried today.
He has. It's been kind of funny.
I've got several blisters on both shoulders, laugh out loud.
Justin said that if he doesn't take that girl, that he will get the office that comes out at 4-2. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Wear sunscreen next time.
Oh. Who's Justin?
I don't know.
Must be another. Oh, that's fucked.
Yep.
That's the thing. I didn't wear it.
Wait a minute, where am I at?
Like the name of our group.
Yeah, I misread it at first and thought it said Mickey's Boys.
He doesn't sound much like a preacher.
No.
Fat boys, what you gonna do? Mm-hmm. Jason sent a photo. What I'm guaranteed to look like on the beach this summer. Okay. Christy and Shauna said I needed to go to the clinic because they thought I had sun poisoning, and they was right.
I would say you did have.
Mm-hmm. Is that what you call it, sun poisoning?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
We call it sunstroke, I suppose. What's the difference?
Well, they call it that too. Heat exhaustion, sunstroke, all that.
Yeah. They said I was dehydrated too. Yeah. Drink some fucking water.
Are you 5 years old? Wow.
Correct. Buddy, I drink at least a gallon a day. Well, that's only going to dilute it even more. Yeah, bullshit.
Mm-hmm. Scroll on down to see if we see you mention about that woman again.
Okay, drink a gallon. Yeah. My kid puts the pop and Kool-Aid. Mm-hmm. Well, drunk. It's a good possibility of both. Anything going, oh, not gonna.
Justin took that woman to the psych center.
What?
Justin took that woman to the psych center. Benfield said.
EPO?
It's a protection order.
Oh, protection orders. Okay. But Jason Eccles, isn't he the preacher?
Is he the preacher? That's why I can't remember his name. So who is Justin? We need to find out that preacher. I can't remember.
Yeah. Well, if he's going to serve some EPOs, I would assume he's a deputy.
He has to be another. Yeah, he has to be another.
Yeah. And I want to know who this Justin is too.
Yeah.
DVO on Stevie Wynn has been served. Going to serve Thomas Stamper with one now.
Then he tells Mickey Steins, call me.
Yeah. I busted the window out and left a note that said, Mr. Steins appreciates the business, and left. Jason sent a photo. When the AC goes out in your patrol car. Oh.
Yeah, this can't be the preacher. This is another deputy or something.
Yeah. It may not be 12 inches, but it smells like a foot. Yep. Jason Eccles, do you have court? No, Jimmy is coming back from Lexington. Okay, we have an involuntary at the ER. not for sure when she'll be ready. 69-year-old female going to Harlan already started this morning. What the? Oh, involuntary ankle monitor, I would think. Yeah.
I'd say.
He's
Yeah.
in for a DUI or something. I'll try and find out when she's ready. So, in his deposition, he was saying that he didn't know anything about what they were doing. So, he's involved in...
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. It shows that he was involved in it.
Fucker.
Yep.
10-4, you working today? Yes, unfortunately. Thumbs up. This is the shit where they get caught, where they start talking shit. Oh, that's from the office, yeah?
Yep.
I want to know what these... Oh, they're emojis. Those little rectangles.
Yep. On my way over, Jason sent a photo.
Oh, sorry, what? When you're about to eat Mexican food and you know someone else will clean your ass. Oh, what? How do you send the big one? Right. If we get both of them tomorrow and they both end up going to Hazard or wherever, can we transport both at the same time?
Depends on the level of crazy.
I think they're both like the same sex, though. You mean like freaky sex? Hardcore? No, guys. I feel like they are both attracted to guys.
I would say we could take...
Oh,
no.
Or take two different vehicles to be safe. Fucking fucker. That was Mickey. Mickey.
Yep. He says, or take two different vehicles to be safe.
Fucker. He also said, I would say we can take both at the same time as well.
Yeah.
It don't matter. I was just wondering. Are we playing Sunday? Don't know yet. Fucking playing what?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be an involuntary soon. Okay. What the fuck does that mean?
I don't know. Uh-oh.
When she... Oh.
Yeah.
You did a big white Vic baby. Oh. Happy anniversary, Mickey. Thanks. So when's this? The 6th. Sorry, the 24th of June, 21. So this goes back fucking...
Oh, yeah. This way before.
Crap. Who's Christine Bolling?
Who is Christine, wonder?
She sounds like a government
she
official.
wanted Mickey's...
That name came up before.
Yeah, I think she might have been his secretary or something.
That's right, that's right.
He was wanting to talk to her when he was arrested.
He said before, didn't he? Bolling and someone else.
Yep.
In the deposition.
He was wanting to talk to her and his daughter.
That's
yeah.
Who were the two chicks in that video where he was arrested?
Yeah, who was petting him? Yeah, who was he? I don't know who that lady was that was petting him on the shoulder and stuff.
Yeah, and sitting him back down and trying to calm him down.
Yeah. Nobody said who that was. And
did you notice when he came in and surrendered and put his gun down, that the officer at the bottom left hand of the screen takes his gun and moves it out of the way, but keeps touching it and picking it up with his bare hands.
Yep. And they're saying that wasn't even his. They're trying to say somebody switched guns with him at that restaurant.
What?
Yep. I don't know where I've seen that.
So the bullets don't match the gun?
Right.
Really?
Because they was joking. When they went to dinner that day, someone said something to Mickey, said, well, that's not a gun. This is a gun. And he had both of them out or something. And then they reached Mickey's gun back, or I guess they thought it was Mickey's. I mean, that's just a rumor going around. I don't know how true that is.
Yeah. Well, apparently, according to the testimony, he didn't normally come in civvies
no,
without his uniform, and he certainly didn't normally carry.
Nope.
Because they noticed that he was carrying.
Yep.
So
Whatever went down happened when that preacher and him went out to deliver that food. I'm telling you, that preacher is sketchy
I
as
want to
fuck.
know. I want to know what that truck, because they kept pointing to that truck circling the thing. What the hell was that?
See, that was so. I'm getting. They're wanting you to pay attention to that truck and not them walking down the sidewalk. Because
Yeah.
nobody has never said nothing about that truck or who's been in that truck.
No.
So I don't know.
I wonder if that was something to do with, you know, how he was so scared, like petrified. Maybe he saw that doing circles and.
I think they need to get a lip reader in that courtroom or in that judge's chamber to see what the hell Mickey was.
Yes.
See what they were.
We need to get a deaf person or someone that can read lips. Yes.
Which my niece is oh my God, I didn't even think about that. My niece is deaf. I'm gonna have her look at that and see if she can make anything out of it.
Oh, sweet. Yes.
Yeah. She is legally deaf.
And we need to see what the writing on that truck was, what the name of the company.
Yep.
See, I've got you into the deep dive now, haven't I?
Sure do.
We go. It's fun, hey? And then I go,
Actually,
oh, fuck, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. Shit, I'm supposed to start stream.
My sister will spend the night tonight. I'm gonna FaceTime my niece and tell her to look at that. Hello, Udhef.
Hello. Oh, really? What's are they doing like is it nearly the end of their trial? Of Donna Edelston's trial? I can't get into them. And I don't do
Everybody's covering that trial.
yeah, no. I can't be bothered. Not with her. I don't want to do her. I don't want to do any of the P. Diddy shit. I don't want to do any of the rappers or the Rico stuff. None of that bullshit. This one, yes. This one's going to go off.
Photo. Let's see what that photo is.
Sorry. Yes. I digress.
You know, where they love seafood.
Oh, okay. Figured this would be better here. Mickey Steins laughed at it. That was funny. And that picture Ben done was great. Good English. Okay. What can I say? Huh? I'm going to have to look up these names, I think, and find out who they were, where they fit in all this. If you've ever visited this place. Hey, Jason Eccles, someone took a picture of you today.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Is that the turtle, right?
Oh, look, it's a turtle.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that the statue of the turtle, right?
I don't know.
It is. That's how Turtle Boy got his name. The statue in is it Dedham? Well, not Dedham. Wherever he lives. Who's that? Oh, that's Ben, isn't it?
Yep.
Mickey Steins. That's great at Ben. I'm getting real sick and tired of this shit. I got feelings too, you know.
What, you mad about? Should be the one mad.
Oh, that must be whose head it was.
How are you feeling? Y'all need anything? I was feeling pretty good until I opened this chat. See,
I
Mickey.
right.
Yeah.
James Norris. Okay, I gotta write them all down. Have not, but I did drink half a jar of pickle juice to prove I didn't taste anything. You know what we should do? That's made me hungry now. We should do a teach Jody how to make a sausage biscuit.
Oh Lord.
A cooking video. Are they anything like you got Macca's over there, yeah? And the sausage McMuffin? Are they anything like that?
Yeah, they're close to it. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yep.
Whenever I get a craving, that's what I'm gonna order. I'm hungry now. Open to the people. All right, this is the last page, I think. What's that? A snowman?
Loses his penis.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Is that Ben Fields' picture or not?
It kind of looks like him, but I'm not sure.
Okay. Christine Bulling. No apologies needed for me. We'll try to be respectful, but that is funny. Okay, that's it. End of that one. All right. Well, I think that'll that's enough reading for today. Class dismissed.
Yeah,
I've got
that's
one
enough.
more funny one. There you go.
Yeah, I love that.
Thank you,
And that would be my
sister.
sister, I swear. That would be my sister. She would tell him that. I'm telling you. You think I'm a nut? She will ball blatantly. See what she thinks.
And
She has
one
embarrassed
more.
me 3 times. She has embarrassed me 3 times. It's not funny.
I love that one. Did you see it?
Oh, yeah, I love that. Yep. I love it.
Oh dear. All right, Darlin. Well, thank you very much for joining me. That was fun.
Yeah, that wasn't as bad as I thought.
Got anything exciting? Yeah. Got anything exciting on for the weekend? Oh, you do? Yes. You might be seeing
Yeah.
Brayden. Fully. Woohoo! Well, you keep
Hopefully,
me
if it
posted.
won't be this, it might be next weekend. I'm going to let them have their day as a family.
Yep.
I don't
So
want to.
your son's wife and someone else is meeting. Is that right?
It'll be my son, wife, and his 2 kids, and Braden. So they're all going to a football game together.
Your
And
son's
then
got more than 2 kids, hasn't he?
He's got the 2 little ones at home, and then he's got Braden.
Oh, I thought he had more than that.
No.
Well, who are all the kids around the table? You've got another son.
Oh, that's my. I got another grandson.
Wow.
Then my daughter-in-law. She looks like a kid. I swear she ain't 4 foot tall.
Mm.
And then you couldn't see my middle son in the picture. He's the one who took the picture. I said, no, that's not fair.
I'm so glad you had a good day. That's awesome. Shit on.
Sure surprised me. But we walked into that restaurant, and they said how many at the table, and I said 3 because it was just me and my husband and my youngest son. And so Bobby didn't say nothing different. And I'd already called my other son, Timmy. I knew Donald wasn't going to be able to make it because of his work schedule, or so I thought.
Yeah.
But I called my middle son. I said, you want to go? And he says, no. He said, I'm going to run to Walmart real quick. And he said, back home. He said, my shoulders bother me. And I thought, okay. So me and Bobby and
Matthew get pissed off because fucking
yeah.
I don't know what else to go. Yeah, that's how my
Well, me and
birthdays go.
Well, me and Bobby and Matthew sat down and we was eating, and my husband just looks and he gets up and then he comes back and says, what the hell are you doing? He said, I thought I seen somebody I knowed. I said, well, who was it? And when I looked around, all I seen was this blonde-headed lady. I ain't gonna lie, I thought, who the fuck is that?
Yeah.
And he just made this face like, you just have to know my husband. He can look all dead serious. I said, I want to know who that is. He said, well, I don't know who that is. So I just let it go. And then I looked over at my son and he was kind of snickering. I said, my youngest son and Bobby works together. And I looked at Matthew. I said, do you know who that was? He said, no, I don't know who that was. And he just had this grin on his face. I thought, okay, Trace, calm down. And then about 2 minutes later, I got this feeling like somebody was watching me over my shoulder. And then when I turned around, it was the whole gang behind me with presents and everything. I was like, oh, no, you all. So, of course, I cried a little bit. And Donald said, Dad, you asked for a table that sits 3. So, yeah. It was a good time. Was in on it. Oh, yeah. Everyone organized it. My husband. He has never done that. Never. That's the first time that I've had the whole family together on my birthday.
That's awesome.
Yep.
That's really good.
I said, well, shit, had I known this, I said, I would have done something for yours in March.
Wow, you got some big boots to fill next year.
Oh, yeah. I don't know how that's going to play out.
Yeah.
All right, and the funniest part of it, let me tell you this. The funniest part of it all is my 5-year-old grandson. He cannot keep a secret. Cannot. he knew this all along too. And he looked at me when he got up and he said, "Surprise, Mama." He said, "I didn't tell you this time."
So what's the? Obviously, everyone gets called Nima over there. What's the go? I've never heard that before.
He's called what?
Didn't you say Nima?
Yeah, Mama. That's what they call Grandma over here.
Because what's Simi called?
I think she calls herself, Mama or Mama or one, but it's Mama is what we use.
So that means grandmother over there.
Yeah. Yep.
You have Nana?
Yep. Have that too.
Granny? Grandma?
Yeah, I told him don't ever call me Granny. Ever. I'm thinking of Granny on the hill.
The verb of choice, Nima.
Yeah. Yep.
Wow.
It's Mama. Mama and Papa.
That's cute. I don't know what I want to be called. As long as I just want to be called something.
Yep.
Hurry up, bitches.
Yep. I'm telling you, you don't think you know love until you have a grandkid. I would never. People tell me that, you'll love them. You'll love me. You don't know the love until you have a grandchild. And I said, there's no way I can love anybody more than I do my kids. But let me just tell you. Yeah.
You get the fun without the hard work.
Oh, yeah. You can give them what they want when they want it, then send them home.
I said to my youngest, you need to hurry up because, like, well, I can still pick them up and carry them.
I tell, of course, Darlin can't have no more. Darlin can't have no more. But my middle son, him and his wife, has only got one. And she talks all the time. She said, "Do you think we ought to have another one?" I said,
"Yes."
I think you should, because I said, everybody needs a sibling. I said, but that's up to you. And I thought, me and Papa might need a bigger lap, especially around the holidays. But I said, we'll manage it. We'll manage it.
Fucking nice. Well, I can't wait. I can't wait.
They're a joy.
I've got grand cats and grand dogs. But no grandbabies yet.
I'm surprised my dogs are so good. They've not barked one time.
Oh.
And all three of them's laying right here in front of me like, what are you doing?
Well, hey, I'm not on screen and not one cat has gotten up on this desk. Not one. They're all up to the camera. All right, sweetheart. Well, you have a shit-out rest of the day, an awesome weekend. And
okay, I'll let you know if my niece can do this lip reading thing.
Yes. I might do a bit more on this case and pick it back up on Monday, I reckon.
Yep.
I don't think there's anything else happening. Is there on Court TV or?
No, it's all that Adelson. Everything's going. Yeah.
Plus, I've only got 1 week before I have to go to Mum's, so it's not really.
I know you're looking forward to that. Hope you have a good time.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Be nice.
Make some more good memories.
Yeah. She cried when I told her. She didn't believe me.
Bless your heart.
Yeah. All right, Angel. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll do it again sometime. That'd be good. See, wasn't that scary?
No, I'm good.
All right, lovely. Thank you. And don't be good, be good at it, and hasta la vista, bitches. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey there, thanks for stopping in. We hope you will join us again. We all look forward to next time. We get to talk about true crime. Clues. Justice served in an honest fight. True crime tales till the verdict's right. Solving more than just trivial quests, with sentences rule and the defense rests. Our true crime family is great. All types of topics we debate. Smash that like and ring that bell. Hit subscribe, you might as well.